Wait a second. Why is he arranging two wires into a V shape before making the splice? At first glance, it looks like an unnecessary step. Most people assume it's just another ordinary wire connection, but that's exactly where the surprise begins. Every bend and every movement serves a purpose. What's interesting is that this technique wasn't designed to look better. It was created with performance in mind. While many people still rely on traditional methods, there's a small detail in this setup that changes the way the connection behaves under real-world conditions. It seems like a simple variation at first, until the test begins and reveals why so many people are impressed by the result.